Everyone's Black High Priestess. Just want to talk a little bit. Look at this. Look at that. The birds. I don't know if y'all seen the Alfred Hitchcock movie, The Birds. And it's, you know, us witches. We have a energy with animal spirits, especially winged ones. Those of us dealing with Iami, we deal with the women who turn into birds. And I just want to show y'all lately these birds. Everywhere I go, there's this swarm of birds, and I'm at a point where I don't really actually know if anyone else can see them. I feel like I'm the only one seeing them. So I don't know if they're spirit birds or if my witchy bird Halloween energy is coming out. But I want to talk about the 5G cell phone towers, the radiation, all of this satellite, all this Wi-Fi radiation that's happening. The birds are dying. They're falling out of the sky. They'll act crazy like that a little bit. It seems as though, again, I know I have a Holy Spirit energy, but sometimes, you know, I can't tell if it's the legion of unclean spirits that I kind of purged. It's something that only I'm seeing. If there's spirit birds that are following me, letting me know that the Holy Spirit is with me, that the Most High is with me, or you know, are they flocking around a place where they feel they can get navigation because of the 5G cell phone towers? And I've been telling you guys about copper, putting copper on your phone, getting lead paint for your homes. If you are able, if you own your own home and you're able to make renovations and remodel, you know, wearing copper on you, wearing copper jewelry. See there, and I don't know, let me see if I don't know if y'all could see across the way over by the golf course. The birds are all on the golf. They're all perched right on the ground. Yeah, that's a big swarm of birds walking on the ground right there. And it's the small ones. Those aren't geese. Those are the small birds that have been following me around lately. So happy Halloween. All Hallows Eve is upon us. Shout out to the witches, the mages, you know, the Beetlejuice clan, the Addams family, all of y'all who are family, you know, the spirits of the night, spirits of the fall. It's going down, it's going up. Get ready for that rapture. All right, peace and love, everyone.